Hey, what's up? It's Panupon. I'm an independent game developer. Today, I feel lonely a little bit. I wanna make, I wanna make it live. I'm working today, but I want to make it live. I'm working on animation. This is where you can, behind me. This is where you can add skeleton and muscle into any um, painting or picture, and you can make animation out of it. I'm still headed about it, but I'm about to get used to it. And today, I make, I try to get it done. Animate. So I try to get all the head animation done today. Let's see. If anyone have any good technique about that, please teach me. Okay. I'm gonna show you how it works. What's that? Someone tried to call me. I don't know it. Hello, test. Good. All right. So here, this is the picture. It's called sprite of my character, of the character. And you can see I only have one head. If I want to make this head to have any emotion, I can't because I have only one head. That means I only have one emotion. That's why I have to make animation in this head. And in Sprite Editor, you can uh, create bone and geometry. Geometry for me is kind of muscle, bone and muscle. Now I have here bone. So you can move. Now I can move my hair like that. I'm learning how to make it look more natural like that. Yep. And for hair, like not just to make animation, I need to make a rules so it can work with any animation. For eyes, for example, I make a rule that we need some at least 1, 2, 3, 4 points, 5, 6 points to make eye animation, and with 4 to 6 point you can make it close. What's that? No. By moving the bone down like this. Okay, I'm not working on eyes today. Eyes done. Mouth is done too. Mouth is done. Yep. Now I can make mouse emotion happy and sad. Yep. It took me some time to learn what the position of the bone should be and what the movement of the bone can make the different emotion. Before that, I used to move it up and down like this. It's kind of work, but it's not really accurate because it's gonna stretch the line. It's not look, it doesn't look natural. So I change it a little bit, and then instead of moving up and down, I move, I just move in the, I just change the angle of it instead, like that. Okay, enough for what I have done today, what I have done before. And for hair, my technique is to use 2 points. You can see my geometry. I have 2 points here. Okay, 3 points. First, at the root of the hair. Second, about the middle of it. And the third, at the end. So the first point gonna connect to the. We have to put the weight on it. Weight weight gonna use weight is used to determine how influence for each point to each bone. For the root hair, I give it 100% to the bone one. For the second in the middle of the hair, I give it 75% and 25, and at the end it's 50-50. For me, it make look more natural when you move it like that. So today I try to get the rest done. So I have 2, 1, 2. Should I move this one too? No, probably not. Okay, inside here, I need that. Okay, got one. One inside here done here. So I'm gonna try to make another one down here. Maybe this one. Okay. First, I have to create geometry point first. Create new one. This one at the end of the hair. Another one somewhere in the middle. I think that's yeah. And create new bone. Oh no. Create new bone. About that. Did bone on the same point. and edit this geometry. Weight slider. Okay, now it's gonna be influenced by bone 1 and bone not 8, be bone 9. Gonna be 75% and 25%. There you go. And at the end of this hair, gonna be bone 1 and bone 9. 50, 50, 50, 50. Okay, let's preview. And if I move this, there you go. Oh, so I have to be careful about ear inside here. Okay, other than that, it's fine. Just the ear. Alright. Got to be careful with the ear. That means I need more point to avoid it. Okay, no problem. Oh, it affect the brow eyes here too. Eyes, brow. I see. That means have to be careful about that. Oh, it's fine. It's a little bit. But ears not good. Okay, let's block the ear. Restore position. Create one more point to block the ear. So it won't be affected. Okay, and that point we're gonna put a weight on bone 1, 100%. Let's see. All right. I'm thinking, should I animate inside here or just outside and some of them up there? No, I think I want to move something around here too. Okay, now that I blocked the ear, so it won't affect anymore. Okay. All right. Okay. Better. Okay, I did bulk here. Now I have to bulk this eyebrow. Oh, it's 5 actually. No, shouldn't. Let's create one more point. Put this. And this point. Yep. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay, today I learned more about that. Now I bulk ear and eyebrows. So it is not affected by the bone, new bone hair for the hair. Okay, I got this hair moving, this hair moving, this hair outside. I think that's enough for hair. Okay, how about the other side? I think just one hair should be enough. Okay, create more point from this. That should right. I thought it's not too boring, so I made live, but I think it kind of boring as well. Right, how about have another bone around here? Let's see. This point effect with the last bone. About 50%. If we move it, no. I have 1, 2, 3 points. That should be enough. Create one more bone here. Okay, and then it did this one using weight slider. Okay, that influenced by bone 1. Alright, and this one with bone 10. Just 25%. And this one influenced by bone 10, 50%. And let's try moving it. There you go. Okay, I think we need more point. Let's see about this one. Bone 10 as well, 25%. Alright, I see. Okay, I see. Inside gonna be 25, outside gonna be 50%. Like, see, that's how it works. Outside gonna be 50%. Both of them. Influenced by. There you go. Better. Yeah, just about right. Okay, maybe that one as well. This one, 50%. Oh, it's too much. Okay, this one is too much. Just bone 1, enough. Okay, it is fine. We have one hair moving here, one hair inside here, another one here, outside here. Okay, I'm done with hair, I guess. Let's try animate it. Save, apply. Let's try making idle animation of it. Let me have to reset all the bone here. Delete all. I'll delete this one as well. And add it again. The spy skin and create bone. And now I can animate it. Let's say adult animation we have 2 seconds. Make it breathing. Top. Make it look like it's breathing. Okay. Maybe just angle a bit. -5 degree. And head gonna be opposite 5 degree. Like that. It would be up and down instead. That means shoulder gonna be 5 degree as well. Yeah. Let's try change the angle first. If it's good enough, then that's it. Yeah, how about that? Change the angle of the chest when standing and breathing. Okay. Now about hair. Now that I have bone animation, so let's try move this hair forward like that. One. Okay, it's about 90 degree. Then move forward like 100 or 95. -90. How about -95? -37. Okay, see. -32. How about that? There you go. What? My bone 10. -95. Yeah. 95. There you go. Bone 9. -32. Okay, what? Bone 8. Okay, just 5. We have some hair movement here. Alright, about this. -43 gonna be 38. 43. About that. Okay, for hair, you didn't see much difference. Let's see. All right. I just want to make it noticeable that hair is moving. Maybe need more angle of that. So minus 90%, 90 degree, maybe more than that. 95, 100, 105. How about that? Yeah. Okay, let's do that for this one as well. So minus 37, 10 more, minus 22. Made noticeable. It is too much. Okay, I'm still learning. Okay. All right, 15. How about that? I think inside is too much. Yep, just 10, I think. 10 degree. And this one, not 27 instead. And 7. 33 is 5. Okay. 8. 38. 38. 33. Okay, I think this is better. Hair's moving. Yeah. Now make blinking eye a little bit. For blinking eye, maybe somewhere here. Blinking gonna be very fast. Foop, foop. Maybe start here, close here, open here again. Right. This one. Blinking eye. Gonna be close at this point. There you go. Wait, that's too much. 3, 3, 9, 3, 8, 3, 7, 6, 5, about that. Another one. One, 0, 6, 9, no, 6, 9, 6, 8. That's just about right. Okay. I want it very fast. That means I have to copy 2 point here. Yeah. Can I pass it? There you go. So, bring, okay, and bring it back. Yeah. Ship. And in second, ship. There you go. There you go. Fast enough. How about that? Okay. Not, or one more. Or blinking eye. If you want more, add more here. Let's see. It is too more often. Yeah, I think it's too much. I think it's just about right. There you go. Now I have hair moving, eye blinking. I can move mouse. I can change mouse to mouth here. Mouse bone, what? Bone 4 and 5. Let's say we have a bad mood. A bad mood. There you go. Put that. And then have a good mood again. Alright, that's it. Let's see it in the scene. I think I'm getting good at face animation now. Hair is the hardest part. Eye, mouth, Not that hard. And that's it. I'm gonna continue working on my own now. Just wanna try. Make it live. I think it's still boring anyway. Oh, it takes some time. Yep. When you open too many applications, it affects my workflow as well. And it's not actually an update. Now you can see hair moving. It's far away. Can I zoom it? It's gonna be blurred. This is not a pixel art, but when you zoom in, it became pixel. This is the advantage of. That's why I don't do pixel art, because you can see the mess. The if you don't do a proper good enough animation, they can see. But for 2D like this, it's fine to hide. Okay, I might have an update for animation soon. Better to see it here. There you go. How can I play it? Damn it. Oh, animation is stopped. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna continue working now. Have to make more animation. Now, hair is look natural now, moving. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoy it or not. Probably not. Hmm? When I see it in the stream, hair didn't move at all. Oh, that's weird. It actually moved here, but in stream it didn't move. It doesn't move. How come? Okay, I see. So Streamlab couldn't capture the hair movement at all. Even eyes blinking. I see. What? How about in? I see. No way. Oh, I thought Streamlab can capture that window, but it didn't. This window. Let's see about. Okay. So you couldn't see my hand movement. How about in play scene? I think in play scene is fine. Yeah, in play scene is fine. In this play scene, you can see hair movement here, but in prefab mode, in editor mode, you can't see hair movement. That's weird. But I can see it. But in play scene, you can see hair movement here. Suck. I literally make hair movement here. But that means the whole stream you can't see. This one I zoom in so you can see it clearly. But if it's too far away, you still can see it. Little bit. The character just standing. I see. When I'm on this screen and I make animation, you can't see it moving. Because Streamlab couldn't capture. How come? I thought it captured everything. This one actually has moving right now in my screen, but on Streamlab, it's just not moving at all. That's weird. Yep, it's not moving at all. I see it in Streamlab. Interesting. Okay, how about I do it in game scene and I'ma zoom in. Alright, I'll make camera zoom in. Camera size right now is 4. There you go. About that. No, we're gonna zoom out anyway. Because my code is. That means I have to change my code. Damn it. That means if I want to show something about like this, I have to be careful that everything should be on the scene only. Okay, let's fix camera side. Okay, don't need to update camera size anymore. Just want to show you how I make animation. I'm very proud. I remember someone complained me long time ago why hair's not moving. Now I made it. So Streamlab capture couldn't capture everything. I never knew that. And when you open many applications, it's very slow compiling. I don't know how could I work before. I live stream a lot back then, and it's very slow. Okay, that's why. I better not live when I work. Too slow. When it compile the code, really slow when you open too many applications. And I still, back then I still made it live. Can't believe myself. Okay, change camera side. It's still update. Damn. Camera side back to the original one again. Even I didn't update. Tell me it's not here. Hey, what's up? How to make sofa in Blender? Damn it. Blender is so hard. I never done Blender before. I'm just using sprite editor in Unity is already hard for me. I'm not an animator, by the way. I'm just a developer, coder. Sorry for disappointed. Blender, yeah, they use it a lot, but that means you need a professional on that. There you go. It's too close again. Can I zoom out? There you go. I'm using sprite editor. It's called rigging. rigging technique. Basically, you just put bone and muscle on the picture that you want to animate. And this one I put on hair, eye, and mouth just to make character to be able to express emotion a little bit, especially when it get hit, hurt, die, something like that. And when jump, hair should moving like that, and that's it. And next time I'm gonna make uh the wrist here, hand, to be able to like to twist, just bend it, because right now I can just bend the shoulder and arm, but not on the wrist, on the hand yet. I should be able to move, twist, bend the hand as well when you grab a weapon, so you can have more angle, more style. Yep, you see it soon, because I'm done with head, I think, and other than that is easier now. I always want to do something hardest first. Yeah, I think I'm done with the hardest part of animation, which is face expression. Okay, hi bro, hope you enjoy it. And that's it. I'm gonna continue working now. It's kind of boring. I thought it's not gonna be too boring, but still boring. I should, okay. It should let you at the same time I'm showing animation that I'm very proud. Can you see it? Oh, there we go. Alright. So I'm working on animation. As you can see, now I make hair, eyes, and mouth moving perfect, and all the artists that they work on animation like professionally, they say this is very easy. I didn't use any like advanced program to make animation like Blender or anything else. I use everything from the Unity engine. So it's very simple, but it's enough for me. That's why I make 2D game. And all the character I bought from the asset store. So I can get everything I want. Like for example, this animation, they didn't include other head for me. Other head like eye closed head, mouth open head, like that. So I have to do it myself. Yep, that's it. That's it for today. It's kind of boring as well. Alright, I'm gonna go now. And I'm gonna be, when I'm done making some animation, yeah, this week, I'm gonna represent you again. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye now. Peace out. Peace out. Okay, I'm staying with you.